Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Hannah. Thank you guys so much for the support that you've been showing me since my last video. We're actually almost at a quarter of the way to 100. So if you don't know about the giveaway for that, go check out my last video. I'm giving away a Blue Blood palette once we get to 100 subscribers. So make sure you go check it out. It's super fun. And as a result of all the awesome support, we've actually made a new intro, so we're gonna play it. So how did you guys like the new intro? I had a lot of fun making it. I just want to do a quick shout out thanks to my boyfriend. He's also a YouTuber. He's actually sitting behind the camera right now. He has to put up with a lot with me because when he edits my stuff, I sit there and tell him to take stuff out, add stuff in. I'm really thankful that I have someone that can edit my videos, because if I had to edit, yeah, there would be no YouTube channel for me. So really thankful to have him. Anyways, let's get into the video. I haven't even told you guys what the video is about. We're actually going to be unboxing my February IPSY GLAM bag. So let's get into it. Oh my gosh, there was no struggle opening the package this time. First up, let's take the bag. There is something else in there, but we're not going to look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. IPSY's actually done a really good job with their bags this year. The last one that I got was like a marble with pink, and I love pink. This one's like a really nice, fuzzy, soft material. Let's check out what's inside. So we got the card that like tells you what's in it and about the products, but we'll read that after. Ooh, what we got? Alright, so starting off, we have the Tarte Sex Kitten Liner. It actually has like a little cat on the top there. Super cute. I'm going to swatch it just to see how good it is. I've never used this before. So, well, it's actually really nice. Hasn't run through like the lines in my hand yet. It was really smooth, really nice line. I love it. Let's read about it, actually. So, the Tarte Sex Kitten Liquid Liner in black. So the full size retails for $20 US, obviously. This is a deluxe sample. I'm gonna try it out. I've always wanted to get the full size, so I'm glad that I got the little sample version so I can try it out and see how I like it, and maybe I'll actually go buy the full one. What else do we got? Oh, we have a pressed highlighter from KVOSSNYC, maybe? I'm always really bad with pronouncing the brands that come in IPSY for some reason. It's got like cute little basic packaging. It's in the shade Fairy Dust. It's got a little mirror in there. Looks kind of like a pink tone. Let's swatch this. Yes, you guys probably can't see that, but it's really light. I think it'll look really cute. It could look cute as an eyeshadow too. Whoops, here's the bag right here. City Limits Lush Eyeshadow by IBY Beauty or IB Beauty, whatever that is. If someone knows the brand, you can tell me what it is in the comments. I never know. Oh, this is like really cute. It's like super tiny. It's like a really nice, I don't even know what shade that is. It's like kind of brownish purple. Doesn't have a mirror in it. Let's swatch that. Put it right here. Ooh, that is really pretty. Look at that metallic. I love that. Really cute. I have a little collection of single eyeshadows that I've had from IPSY. Next, we've got the AVETTE Water Flash Coconut Water Cream. I wonder if it smells like coconuts. Yeah, it kind of does, not a lot. It's a nice little sample size. I actually like getting creams because I have really dry skin, so that's nice. Wait, there's nothing left in the bag. But there's one more thing in the package. Oh, we got a brush. This is the MODA Pro Brush. Is there anything about it here? So this is for highlighter, which is really nice. I always like getting a highlighter brush. And it says that is a full size, valued at $7.99. So it's decent. I know I have another MODA brush that I actually got from a friend. It's more of like an eyeshadow brush, and I really like using it, so that's great. So yeah, that's what's in the bag. So that was the IPSY bag. I actually realized partway through that I stopped reading this, so we're actually gonna put the stuff about it in the description if you want to check it out. I'll also add like my link for IPSY down there if you guys want to join it. I really enjoy it. It's pretty cheap. I paid $20 Canadian a month. I think the bag's like $12 US. Yeah, so we're gonna put the link also for the Jeffree Star mystery box that has the giveaway in it. We're gonna put it in whatever corner it goes to, and down in the description. So go check it out, share it. We want to get to 100 so that it can get out of my closet and be used. I have the Blue palette already, so I can't use it myself. But I want to give it to one of you guys, so make sure you guys share it so we can get up to 100 and give it away. So anyways, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Love you guys a lot. See ya!